Welcome to 6th episode of Qapsule, a digital series dedicated to enrich understanding on quality concepts at Tata Steel. Let's consume, learn and excel. Today we'll be discussing about 5S, an effective tool to implement visual workplace management and enhance workplace efficiency. You might be aware that total productive maintenance (TPM) is used across industries for operational excellence, and 5S acts as the foundation of TPM pillars. For effective sustenance of TPM, a well-planned and systematic 5S approach should be exercised. However, if not implemented correctly, it can result in 5 Ds, which are defects, delays, dissatisfied customers, decreasing profits, and demoralized employees. To understand the concept of 5S better, let us discuss why it is required. The sum model neatly describes why 5S should be implemented. 5S focuses on reducing waste in the system, hence directly contributes to the bottom line of the organization. It also reduces inventory in the system and uses storage space effectively. 5S always focuses on team building. As a result, improves the morale of employees. In this way, by optimizing the processes, 5S improves the effectiveness of production and related operation. Now, let's get an idea about each S of 5S. The first S, Seiri, which means sorting in English. In this, one has to segregate the necessary and unnecessary things and then discard unnecessary items. Also, if the unnecessary item of one place can be useful at another place, then it is to be transferred to that particular place. The second S, Seiton, means set in order. The necessary items identified in first S should be kept with their unique identification number in a distinguished manner. This can be done by arranging and labeling. This step follows the rule a place for everything and everything in its place. This step should satisfy 30-second rule, which says when any item is required, it shall be retrieved within 30 seconds. Let's move to the third S, Seiso, means cleaning. In this step, one has to remove dust, dirt, grime to make workplace cleaner. This can be done in 3 levels, namely macro level focusing on floor area, individual level focusing on machines, and micro level focusing on components or subparts of an equipment. The fourth S, Seiketsu, known as Standardize in English. In this step, one has to standardize actions taken in previous steps of 1S, 2S and 3S through standard operating procedures. Periodic reviews or audit should be carried out to monitor the activities and performance. The last S, Situki, which means sustain or self-discipline. In this step, training on the standard is to be provided to make the activities a habit of all employees. Now that we know the significance of each S, let's sum up our learnings by knowing how 5S can benefit our organization. 5S helps an organization in productivity improvement, reduction of cost and lead time, waste elimination, new idea generation, manpower motivation, and visual management improvement. I hope you all had a great learning session today. We'll meet in the next session of Qapsule with another interesting topic. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned.